Hello, this video is for RPG Starter Kit, and this is fourth step how to add some objects to the world. So I will start with the NPC. First of all, I will add some lights to that world because it was too dark. Okay, so our start position was set up in the previous video 10 0 10, so I will add that NPC in this position. I don't have some characters, so I will use, for example, this cube, but for some reason is very, so I will put I will set up some position that it will be okay. Here it is. Okay, so now I have this cube will represent our NPC. Important note: when you will have when you want to have use any character, remember add some collider that for that NPC. It can be anything, but it must have collider. So now I will have to add. I'll rename it NPC. I will add script NPC, and now I have to add the ID, but because I didn't prepare any NPC, so I will add in RPG menu NPC, add new NPC. So I will first cube. This video will be only short how to add that NPC to the world. So I will save it. So number 1. So I will select number 1. So this is generally how it works for any item, for example for container, for item, for teleport. You always have to have some collider. It can be trigger, but remember, when it will be trigger, that player can go through, so not good. So I will remove the trigger, but always it must be that you have that collider and that correct script with the ID. So it's how to prepare items. For example, when I will put a cube for, and this cube will represent weapon, so I will just add weapon, scripts, weapon, and again only ID, nothing else. Okay, so this is how to add some items to the world. We have prepared NPC. Now we have to test it if it works. So remember, you have to always launch from main menu. Press play, start new game. Where is our NPC? Here, and you can see that a node gives me information that it's first cube name, and when I am close, press E to talk to first cube. Okay, that name is too long because again that resolution is stretched, and I want to keep this video as low as possible because I will upload lots of videos. So we have the this NPC in our world, but when you press E, it will make the error because it has no conversation at all. We will add it in the next video. So thanks for watching.